We always look for ways to simplify and better our lives. Some get stuck in a seemingly endless loop of thought and fear that they don't know where to start. Today we will give you 9 simple habits for you to pick up and make your everyday life easy and happier. 1. Positive thinking. The keystone habit that will help you form any other important habit is positive thinking. Positive thinking by itself won't lead to success, but it certainly goes a long way to motivate you to do the other things required. When you allow yourself to think negative thoughts, you will end up failing. But when you learn how to squash negative thoughts and think positive ones instead, you can succeed at anything you want. Once you have practiced this over and over, it will become natural for you, and you will become overall a more positive person. This habit is the single most beneficial for anyone. Focus on this habit first, and you'll have a much easier time with any of the others. Start by becoming more aware of your negative self-talk. Write down any negative thoughts and reflect on them at the end of the day. Go over them and analyze which are truly reasonable and which are not. You will recognize that a majority of your thoughts are very temporary, but do change your mood through the whole day. If you catch those thoughts and change them, your day will turn out to be better. 2. Exercise. Sure, exercise is healthy and all that, but how exactly is it life-changing? Exercising makes you feel better about yourself and more confident. Not just physically, but most important, your mental health. Your mental health benefits a significant amount when exercising regularly. It relieves stress and gives you time to think, and reinforces the positive thinking habit. You need to think positive in order to sustain exercise. Additionally, it can help you professionally as it refreshes your mind and helps with creativity. 3. Single tasking. Single tasking is the opposite of multitasking. This is another simple habit that will help you not just personally but also in your professional life. When focusing on a singular task, rather than multiple tasks at once, you will get more work done. Not only will you get more done, but the work you do will be better, since you are not rushing it and jumping back and forth from one task to another. You'll be less stressed overall and happier throughout your day. 4. One goal only. While focusing on one task at a time through your day, you should do the same through your week, month, and years. Focus on one goal at a time. While it might seem very difficult, focusing on one goal at a time is the most powerful way of achieving your goals. When you try to take on many goals at once, you are using a little focus and energy on many different places. When only going for one goal instead, you are using all of your energy in one place, which will speed up the process it takes to achieve your goal. Some goals are lifestyle changes, like exercising, dieting, or positive thinking. In those cases, turn them into habits. Focus exclusively on turning the goal into a habit until the habit is ingrained. Then focus on the next goal. 5. Remove the unnecessary things. First, identify what is essential for you, the things in your life that are most important to you, that you love the most. Then eliminate everything else. This simplifies things and leaves you with the space to focus on the essential. This process works with anything. With your life in general, with work projects and tasks, with emails and other communication. This will change your life because it will help you to simplify to focus on what's important, reduce stress and pain, and to build the life you want. 6. Plan your work and work your plan. Once you set your life priorities straight, you will see more clearly what is truly important and what is not important. What makes a real difference in your life if you do it now, and what you can delegate. What is urgent and what is oak to part for one day. 7. Kindness. Being kind is an easy habit that can be built. You'll notice significant changes in your life if you put all of your effort into being kind for a month. You'll have a better sense of who you are as a person. Over time, you'll observe that people treat you better and respond to you differently. This could be considered karma. How does one cultivate the habit of kindness? Start by setting the intention to show kindness to someone every day. Decide on that good deed at the start of the day, and then carry it out throughout the day. Second, make an effort to be kind, friendly, and compassionate whenever you interact with people. Third, make an effort to extend small acts of kindness into larger ones by volunteering to assist those in need and taking the initiative to put an end to suffering. 8. Daily routine. Your life can significantly improve if you establish a daily routine for yourself. The morning and evening rituals are the most crucial ones. Create a schedule for when you wake up and when you go to bed. This will enable you to start your day off right and end it by getting ready for the next day. It will assist you in establishing the beneficial habits you desire in your daily life. You can ensure that you complete all the necessary tasks with its assistance. 9. Do what you want, not what you fear to lack. Without realizing it, we frequently opt for a bit of caution in life while still worrying and feeling stuck in the same place. After that, we reach a point where we want to move but are unsure of how to do so. People often find themselves in this position, beginning to work towards a new objective while lacking clarity. The more we get in touch with who we really are, the clearer our life becomes, and the stronger the decisions we make will be in helping us achieve our goals. Our own decisions that feel right in our hearts, once we make them, we feel relief, and it feels amazingly good. Not what other people tell us we should do or what our parents expect us to be. Let us know in the comments below if this has helped you give a new perspective for you to follow. Share your thoughts and goals as well. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing to not miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.